New volleyball codes. Let's actually go and redeem every single new volleyball code. I spent all my spins last time I've played. I have spun away all my style spins, so I do not have any style spins anymore. The only two characters that we've gotten is Kisuki and Sanju. We didn't get JINKO, sadly. But I believe if I do redeem some codes today, we will be able to get it. If we get 100 spins, we might be able to get it. So, redeem code C curve underscore spiker. Curve underscore spiker. I did already redeem this code. Interesting. Update underscore 32 underscore JINKO. JINKO. 32 already. Wait, update 32 already? That is insane. 2 rainbow stats. 2 rainbow stats. 2 rainbow stats. Every single day I am giving away Robux to my likers, subscribers and commenters. All you have to comment is a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji in the comments down below to win some free Robux. Every single day I'm gifting away Robux to my viewers. Pro toe RI underscore 100k 100J 100k 100 amps club Protori 100,000 club. That is the next code that you need to redeem. If you have redeemed every single one of these codes, you're up to date. These are all the current and working codes inside of volleyballs. Sadly, we didn't even get any lucky spins because I did already redeemed every single one of these. I have already redeemed every single one of them. The JINKO updates. 2x secret wiki 2x secret pity weekend. I spent all my spins in the 2x secret wiki weekend pity weekend. And I didn't even get it. Can somebody explain? Can somebody explain why I didn't get JINKO even though I had double the chance because of the 2 times secret pity weekend? Anyways, these are all the codes. Like, share, love, share,